Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to zoom a column. So as example, I will create in here like 100, 200, 300, 400. Now if you want to zoom this column, you can use these tools, auto zoom, and you can press enter. Or another option I will create in here, and you can type equal, zoom, open bracket, and you can sort from these cells to here and close bracket. Press enter, and that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to zoom a column. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.